All right, so this is a quick video on Fitbit Pay. We're going to try it out at Trader Joe's and Target and see if it works for us. I tried it last week and I had trouble where it wasn't working. I had to go to the device, put it next to it, and it wouldn't work. It wouldn't do anything. So I called Capital One, who's the bank, the credit card that I assigned, that I associated with the Fitbit Pay, and they said from their end that it was set up incorrectly because they didn't see anything. So I removed it and then I set it up and I checked that it's enabled correctly with Capital One. So now that I did that, I'm going to go to the store and actually try it. The way you enable it is fairly simple. You go here, right? You see the screen, you tap on the side and you get this tap to unlock. So then here you tap once and then you got to put your code in, which is a 4-digit code. So here I'll take it off screen and put the code that I have. So let me take it off screen. And you basically just tap on the screen. You basically tap on the screen for it to remember the code. Let's see. All right, so once you do all of them, then it'll say, oh, checkbox saying it's completed. Shows you your Visa and your Capital One is what I have there. So then at this point, I can put it next to the device. Now, once you do it, it seems like for at least, I've noticed at least an hour, you don't have to put the code in. I don't know how long it lets you do it, but you can go shopping at a few different stores and it seems like it's enabled. You don't have to put the code back, but we'll try it out and see if it actually works. All right. So yeah, let's go.
Let's see if this works. I know, but I should go
All right, so we went to Trader Joe's and to Target. It worked in both, so it's pretty easy to use. And we had success there this time. Again, I had problems the first time. It wouldn't work when I tried it, and I had to call my bank, and they looked on their end, and something was set up incorrectly. So if you do run into that problem, then just call them up and remove it, and then add it again and see if it works for you. All right, thanks so much. Bye.